Okay, so tonight, since we're in that kind of theme of February and the romance and those kinds of things, we're talking a little bit about aphrodisiac foods. So Joyce and I actually talked this over and we came up with our sexy salad.
Yes.
Yes, because we actually have a list of some food items that have purported aphrodisiac qualities.
Oh my goodness.
So we have some of those right here live with us on our own show. So one of those, who would have ever thought? I had no idea, but arugula is an aphrodisiac.
It sounds dirty, arugula.
Just 'cause
Wouldn't it be, don't you think?
Well, it comes in the dirt, for God's sake.
Sounds earthy.
And
Very
then
earthy.
apples.
Yeah, that's the word I meant.
Earthy.
It sounds earthy.
Apples are an aphrodisiac food. Pine nuts. Again, I didn't know
Pine nuts.
about the pine nuts. And then basil. Now, basil goes way back to like the Greek and Roman times. And supposedly, the aroma of the basil
It sounds like a guy I dated.
would get
Basil.
would get
It
the
was
people.
basil. It was somebody like
Basil,
that.
basil, yeah.
And you know what the young bucks would do is they would put the basil behind their ear, and then as they would go around the women, they would say, "Oh my God," and they would swoon.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, so basil.
There must have been some kind of basil back
It
then.
was some basil.
Or the
and then-
guys really smelled bad.
Yeah,
well,
it must have
I
been.
think it wasn't so good.
I think it was
Now, I remember when
They're pretty.
in high school I had to do a report on Cleopatra, and it was kind of a show and tell thing, and so I brought pomegranates because supposedly she loved those, and they're part of the
Okay.
aphrodisiac. And then we have some goat cheese.
Wow.
Yep, from Charlottetown Farm, and cheese again is another ingredient. And then one that I wasn't aware of, salmon.
No, salmon's
Oh,
the whole
salmon's
thing.
definitely.
Is a big thing.
Yeah.
So
Definitely.
Neopol Smokery is in
They're the best.
Belvedere Square.
And smoked salmon is just the...
It's
Oy.
just the ticket. So we got some of that. All right. So then we're going to make a little aphrodisiac like vinaigrette.
All right.
Ah,
Okay. So now we have some white wine vinegar, which, by the way, is not an aphrodisiac food.
Wait, wine or the vinegar
thank
part?
you very much.
I just wanted to let you know that is
Okay.
not a. Then we're going to take, this is kind of a traditional sort of classic vinaigrette basic. So usually they'll put in a little bit of Dijon mustard.
Dijon, there's the French people again.
Yeah, yeah,
Do you
yeah.
know that they keep popping up like that?
Do.
And then we have the shallots,
More French
Shallots?
people.
minced shallots.
Du shallot.
Oui,
Shallot.
d'accord.
Shallots, yes, the
Shallots,
shallots.
yeah.
And
Onions.
then another major aphrodisiac one is honey.
Oh, and
So
I
we-
love
so
honey.
That's what people call when they love you. They say, hey,
honey.
this is the aphrodisiac.
Oh,
Hey,
honey,
honey bunny.
sweetie.
There we
honey.
go. We like that. Joyce, would you like to do a little whisking while I do a
Sure,
little
why
pouring?
don't I whisk this right
Whisk
now?
Whisk
There you
this.
go, Joyce.
You do that. I pour a little bit at a time.
Is that oil?
Un peu.
This is extra virgin olive oil.
Wrong kitchen.
And and you know we use the Dimitri olive oil, which is almost local. Virtually
yes,
local.
Virtually local.
And here we go. We just keep.
Just whisking and whisking.
She's
keep
whisking
whisking.
away.
You're doing a great
Actually,
job.
what she's doing is emulsifying.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen,
So when you emulsify, what do? You smash things until they're nothing, or what?
well, you just keep whisking. It's like if you were pouring this into
Yeah.
a blender. Now, this is way more than you would
Doing a
need
great
for
job,
this
Joyce.
particular salad, correct?
Yes, why not?
But then you can put it in your Frigidaire, and then you have it.
Spell that.
F-R-I.
Frigidaire. Okay.
So, all
So
right.
can I stop whisking now?
Oh,
no,
no,
there's
I
salt.
can't have that. I got to
There's
put a little
salt.
bit of
We always
salt.
need salt.
He had it upside down, ladies
Yes,
and
I
gentlemen.
didn't say a word though.
And then I put a little bit of freshly cracked black pepper in
That's the
there.
whole integration thing again.
Exactly,
yeah, that's
all of
right.
it in a bowl.
In a bowl.
And there you go. Voila.
That's it.
We now have Joyce
Yay,
has just made
Joyce.
a
Good
honey
job.
basil
Voila.
vinaigrette.
Good job.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. So now
So now I aerated that.
you got it all aerated.
You emulsed it. I like
Emulsed-
the word
you emulsed it and
I
aerated it.
emulserated it.
You did.
So what we're going to do is we'll dress the salad.
Dress the
Do
salad.
you have like, what do you mean,
Would you like a
ties
plate?
and buttons and shoes
Would
and
you like a
stuff?
plate?
Yeah, you can pull that,
Okay,
put
here's a-
some of those out there. So
Okay.
generally what I do when we doing this, I just put a little tiny bit on because you can always add more,
Yeah.
but you
True.
can't take it
Subtract
out.
it,
You know what I mean?
true.
No, but look, you
But
do
you can-
exactly what to do. That's the perfect amount.
And I mean, you can see it just lightly coated.
Yes, it
and
glistens on the leaves.
Yeah.
That's
Glisten, another
exactly
good
it.
you don't want a pile of water or oil on the bottom of the bowl. It's just not so good. So we'll put a little bit of this there.
Pretty.
I think we have 2 more plates
Oh,
there.
yes, we do.
Because I don't want to leave anybody out
Okay.
and not have any food.
Let's do that one.
We can't have that for our sexy salad.
Sexy salad.
Sexy salad, sexy
Save that.
salad. Really just decorate with some of these
Oh.
different things.
Yeah, that's not working.
I'll let you do that.
Oh, this is
Put it
fun.
this aside or there.
Oh, look, you do like that. That's a little design. Look at that.
I think that needs help.
Well, that needs help. That did not work. Oh, wait a minute. I need another slice in the middle.
you
Uh-huh. There you go. Ooh, little flower. And we'll do a
Let me
little,
do
oh,
this.
we have to do the pomegranates,
I'm
right?
going to give you that now.
Oh my God.
Okay, John, share the salmon.
I'm going to show Simon.
I love salmon. Salmon, I think, is my favorite. I love it. It's just amazing.
So what are we supposed to do with my boyfriend? Just lay it in?
Lay it in.
Now, let me see. Let me
break it off a bit, you think?
get. Well, actually, your boyfriend.
Do I
Smells
do it?
great.
Do it?
Brings
Like-
back such memories.
Doesn't it? It's like the
Yeah.
olden days.
Yeah.
You put some on too.
Yeah,
Look at that. Look at that.
Sprinkle. I love basil.
There
And
we
you
go.
know, this is really easy to grow at home too. And when summer's coming, and we know summer's coming, this is really easy
Yeah,
to grow
it
at
is.
home. It's like, and it smells great. You can do
Yeah.
it in little pots.
Mary, if you could give us some of those lovely forks that are right
lovely
there.
forks.
Because the
Yeah.
thing I really,
Cheese
All
yet.
right.
the,
Alrighty.
the, re-
Haven't
the
done
thing
that
that I
cheese.
really want you to taste is this salmon. Because this salmon
All right, I'm
is
going to
like
taste this. I'm going to do without the cheese.
unbelievable.
Because I can't do that, but you guys
How about some cheese for you, young man?
Oh, cheese.
All right.
Homage.
I'm making my
Fromage.
dish, and I'm going to try my salmon.
Move that.
Oh, I forgot all about that.
You know what I like about salmon? I always feel like my brain is really happy after I eat it. It's like my brain's smiling. Am I reading too much into salmon?
I don't
Okay.
want to start
Oh, look,
anything,
reading
but
into too
the
much
answer
of
to
salmon.
that is
Uh-huh.
yes.
Okay.
It's too much. It's a piece of really nice smoked fish is what it is. I don't know about your brain. You
It's
think-
delightful.
Essentially,
All
that
right.
is what it is. All right, I'm going to.
It's
All right,
delicious. It's very fresh and wonderful, and it took 10 minutes.
That was
So, okay,
fun.
so let's go back to the concept of the sexy salad. So let's say that you're going to throw this dinner party and you just want to make a simple dinner.
Right.
So you can make this salad, you can put any kind of thing there on it, and a nice piece of that salmon right in the center. That's a perfect dinner.
I love
Maybe
it.
with a baguette, and then a little dessert,
Thank you.
some champagne.
We love it.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope that you got some ideas to recreate in your own kitchen and learned a little something along the way. For more information on our common table and our mission to eat well, protect our environment, and rebuild the local food economy one dish at a time, check out our website and join us on social media.